In this lesson, students will investigate pulleys, another kind of simple machine. They will demonstrate the advantages and disadvantages of different kinds of pulleys. For example, some pulleys can change the direction in which a force is applied, and some pulley systems make it easier to move an object. Have the students construct a simple fixed pulley by pushing a wire through the hole in a spool. Bring the ends together and put the wire securely over a fixed support. They will put a cord over the spool and connect one end of the cord to a spring scale and the other to a small weight. They will record the effort force and the load force and answer the following questions. As their hands move down, the load moves which way? How far will their hands move in order to lift the load 30 centimeters? How much force is needed to lift the load? What is the weight of the load? What is the advantage of the fixed pulley? Now have the students disconnect the spool and wire. This time, tie one end of the cord to a support, slide the cord under the spool and connect the other end of the cord to a spring scale. They will push the wire through the hole in the spool, connect the wire to the weight. They will pull up on the cord to lift the weight and answer the following questions. As their hands move up, the load moves which way? How far will their hands move in order to lift the load 30 centimeters? How much force is needed to lift the load? Did the movable pulley make it easier to lift the load? Students should understand that a block and tackle system is made by combining fixed pulleys and movable pulleys. The mechanical advantage of some block and tackle systems could be 10 or more, meaning that a force of 80 pounds could move an 800-pound piano. The young men in the story could easily move the piano if they had a heavy-duty block and tackle, although it would move slowly and would take a long rope.